Welcome to VERAI, Virtual Evaluation of Refraction with AI. I'm Dr. Daniel Potashnik, a board-certified ophthalmologist and medical advisor to EyeQue. This video is designed to guide you through the testing process and highlight important steps to ensure accurate results. VERAI, like any new technology, has a learning curve. Our data demonstrates that for most users, the first testing takes 6 to 8 minutes per eye. VERAI is not an instantaneous test, but requires your input, just like having an in-office eye examination. Your first complete testing will therefore take around 15 minutes, but requires much less time as you repeat the testing. Before we start testing, there are a number of important steps regarding your phone. It is important to follow these steps. Please set your screen to maximum brightness. Please make sure that your audio is on. You may have a phone that has additional screen capabilities. If it does, it is important to follow these steps. Please make sure that your phone is not set on zoom or magnification. Please make sure that your phone is set on its highest resolution. Setting your phone's resolution in the VERAI app is an important step, as this value directly impacts testing results. Select your phone model from the drop-down list to automatically set the correct screen resolution. If you don't know your phone model, please find the About settings in your phone, which will provide that information. If you can't find your phone model in the drop-down list, simply check the box that says, "My phone is not listed," and move on to the next page to set it manually. If you know your phone's model, you can search online for the phone's PPI. If you're unsure of your phone's screen resolution or PPI, check the box, "I do not know my phone's PPI," then proceed to the next page. On this page, you can adjust the size of the dotted lines using the plus and minus buttons to fit the base of the VERAI device. Please make sure that there is no space between the base of the device and the dotted lines. Attaching the device to your phone. Remove the plastic cover from the base of the VERAI device. Attach the device with the EyeQue logo facing towards the bottom of your phone. The microsuction tape will not damage your screen. For added security, please use the silicone rubber strap to keep the VERAI device in place. Make sure the dotted lines of the rectangle on the phone screen fit perfectly around the base of the VERAI device. Please identify the plus and minus buttons under the rectangle. To get the best results, make sure you're in a dimly lit room. This helps with the clarity of the lines on the screen and reduces glare. Starting the test. Please remove your glasses. If you are wearing contact lenses, please remove the lenses 1/2 hour before beginning the testing. Please try not to squint and bring your eye up against the rubber eyepiece attached to the device. If you are under 45 years old, please try your best to keep the non-testing eye open and looking towards an object about 6 feet away. It may be difficult to keep the non-testing eye open. If you're over 45 years old, you may find it easier to close your non-testing eye during the test. Keeping a relaxed and natural position will help you achieve the best results. Please try not to tilt or turn the phone sideways. Overlapping the red and green lines. The goal of the refraction test is to align the red and green lines so they overlap into one yellow line. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the lines until they overlap. Please make sure no red or green is visible on the side of the yellow line for the best result. If you would like to adjust the speed at which the lines move, simply touch and hold the plus or minus buttons. This will make the lines move and overlap faster for a quicker test. Once the red and green lines are perfectly overlapped, move the VERAI device away from your eye and press Next. You'll then be prompted by the app audio to move to the next position. The position number will also appear on the screen. The numbers aren't usually tested in order, and a number may be repeated. Turn the rotating eyepiece numbered 1 through 9 until the requested number aligns with the dot. The rotation may be either clockwise or counterclockwise. Please try to bring the phone back to the same position on your eye for each meridian tested. Repeat this process until the app notifies you that the test is complete. You may then test the other eye. You may return and take as many tests as you like, as all the data will be collected. Like any new technologies, there is a learning curve. The more you test, the easier it becomes. After completing the refraction test, please be sure to measure your PD if you do not know that number. Please use the EyeQue PD check glasses and the app for this measurement. The glasses are included in the VERAI kit, and the app is free in the App Store. And that's it. You are now ready to perform a refraction test using VERAI. By following these simple steps, you can ensure accurate results and find the best prescription for your vision. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have any additional questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to EyeQue customer service at support@eyeque.com. Stay sharp and see clearly.